printing, 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 finished. Okay guys, so after that insane time lapse, so this is all of our prints so far. I can't show you all of them. I'll be showing this, don't worry about that, and this. Now we're also printing another thing right there. This is what we're printing. Let's assemble this. So we have this piece right here. You have to take this little piece and take this stick, put them through. Okay, you've done that. Oh, sorry. After you've done that, you want to put it in that little hole where the ball is. Once that is placed, take this, put it on top. That thing just pooped. So when that's finished, what you want to do, you want to take this piece and put it on here. Then take the huge ball and put it on here. And there you go. Next, guys, is we have the official Bambu Lab scraper with the metal inside already. This is the official Bambu Lab scraper stand. That's the logo. That's inside. Shut up, printer. It just crapped again. Alright. So we have this. It says right here, Bambu Lab. Look at that. And you just put it in there with the 2 screws provided in the accessory box. Screw these together. Put that in there. It holds. Look at that. Next, we have the Ninja Star. Well, this is already self-explanatory. You just, and it flies. So pretty easy. Okay guys, thank you for watching that sick printing time lapse. Thank you for watching. Bye.